Hello guys, you're watching the Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Bluetooth not working problem in Samsung Galaxy M42. So before starting video, if you're first time on channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. So if you're facing Bluetooth not working or Bluetooth not connecting problem in Samsung Galaxy M42, first of all you just need to go to settings. So simply just open settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.